There was a time when people still used to argue about what Thelema meant, as though the book of the law was up for negotiation, as if the current could be tamed by consensus, as though there was safety in understanding. That time is over, not because the arguments were settled, but because the current stopped asking. It moved, and some of us moved with it. Some stayed behind, translating Hebrew into Greek, measuring each ritual against Golden Dawn lineage, comparing Thelema to Advaita, replacing one word with another, and calling it transmission. These are the ones who speak of technique like its essence, who call disagreement oppression, who treat every self-assured utterance as though it's going to start up the next Council of Nicaea. But that's not what really threatened them. It's not authority they fear, it's reality. The terror isn't that someone might interpret Thelema for someone else. It's that someone might embody it so fully that no one else gets to look away. While some debated, others received. They let the current take root, not in opinion, but in flesh. They reorganized around it. They let it mark them. And everything they did after that was just another angle of the same event. They did not become experts. They became revelations. They did not debate doctrine. They became abominations. Not because they were wrong, but because they no longer fit. They're not trying to be right. They're trying to burn real enough that others have no choice but to see. I used to argue with these people. I used to write blog posts. I thought I could clarify things. But I realized something. There's nothing to argue against. I simply act as though their world no longer exists, because it doesn't. When they speak, I hear nothing. It's like when one of the hosts in the show Westworld is shown a photograph of Times Square. It looks like nothing to me. The argument is over. The current has moved. You don't need permission to embody it. You just need to stop pretending that the old world is in charge. The presence is real. The abominations are already here. Not to debate, not to lead in any conventional sense, but to mark reality as theirs. If you're still arguing, you're already behind. This isn't about winning the discourse. It's about being the force that ends it.